Muslim in the world today, they are multiplying. Kaysa non-Muslim, yung sa Hindus or Buddhist or Christian, Hudyo, walang multiplication. Hindi marami sila kasal. But Muslim are multiplying because the way of Muslim is marriage. And marriage has barakah. And barakah, multiplication. In Europe today, in France, for example, because Muslims are practicing marriage, there's a barakah. In France, the Muslim families, 8 children, 8.1 children, one family. This is the rate of the fertility in France. Muslim families, 8.1 children, one family. Non-Muslim, the Christians in France, wala pang 2 children. Less than 2 children per family. And if you don't have the more than 2 children in the family, you are going to be finished in next 2-3 generation. You'll be no more. Everywhere in the world, our Muslims are multiplying because of the barakah of the marriage, nikah. Lahat ng mundo, yung mga Muslim, dahil sa mga Muslim na practice ng kasal, multiply ng mga Muslim. Yung mga non-Muslim, hindi multiplied. Sa Europe, sa America, sa Asia, sa lahat ng mundo. At yung kasal, yung marriage, it is an obligation. Obligado yung kasal sa lahat ng Muslim. But kung lalaki yung walang kaya buhayin, hindi pwede siya kasal hanggang siya na kaya buhayin. Lahat ng Muslim, obligation ng kasal. Hindi pwede na sabihin na Muslim, hindi ako kasal. Hindi pwede, bawal. Dahil yung obligation, utos ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's a command of Allah for every Muslim should get married.